What is a model? One way to think of what a model is that it is a simplified abstraction of a natural or technical system that one wants to analyze. There exist different models out there, and two important model types are whether a model is deterministic or stochastic. With a deterministic model, one gets the same result over and over again with the same input data. A stochastic model, on the other hand, incorporates some sort of randomness or variability in the model output. This is often done to deal with uncertainties in the modeling endeavor. Most water distribution models are based on the computational engine that the Epanet software provides. This is an open source software for modeling water distribution systems. Since Epanet uses mathematical equations and algorithms to compute the output, the same input parameters produces the same model output no matter how many times you run the simulation. But because of the numerical nature of the algorithm to solve the governing equations, I think there could be slight differences in the model output for the same input parameters. We will look more at the theory behind water distribution models in the next video. There are a lot of applications for water distribution models, but there is one thing that needs to be said and emphasized. It is just a model. George Box once said that all models are wrong, some models are useful. And I think this is a quote that one needs to embrace when working with models. The models are tools that we use to make more informed decisions. With that said, water distribution models can be used for many things. It can be used to improve our understanding of the structure and function of the water distribution system, to summarize and communicate knowledge about the water distribution system, long-range master planning, emergency response and resilience. Models can simulate how the system will perform during emergencies, testing of dangerous or expensive tasks, rehabilitation. You can do vulnerability, risk, decision assessments, evaluation of fire protection capacity, water quality studies, energy management studies, pressure management, preventing overpressurization that could cause pipe bursts or damage, ensuring adequate pressures at critical points in the system, especially during peak demand, and daily operations. It could be used for operators, for example, to test the system and troubleshoot the system. And we will look more at them in the upcoming videos when we will be creating and modeling our own water distribution system.